Unordered linear search list target. Def unordered linear search list target for item and enumerate list. Iterate through the list with index I and value item. If item equals target, check if the current item match the target. Return I. If found, return the index. Return -1. If not found after iterating through the whole list, return -1. This function performs a simple linear search. It checks each element, open parenthesis item, in the list against the target. Enumerate provides both the index and the value item during iteration. If I match is found, the index returned. Otherwise, -1 signifies that the target is not in the list. Number 2. Ordered linear search list target. Def ordered linear search list target for item in enumerate list. Iterate through the sort list with index and value. If item equals target, check if the current item match the target. Return I. If found, return the index. Leave item greater than target. Optimization for sorted list. If current item is greater than the target, return -1. Then the target cannot be present later because list is assorted, so return -1. Return -1 if the loop completes without finding the target. Return -1. This linear search optimizes for sorted list. The elif item greater than target condition is the key optimization because the list is sorted if a value is greater than the target. There is no need to continue searching. The target cannot be found further in the list. Number 3. Binary search list target. Binary search list target. Low equals 0. Initialize the lower bound of the search interval. High equals length list, open parenthesis, list, close parenthesis equal 1. Initialize the upper bound of the search interval. While low less than equal high, continue searching as long as the lower bound is less than or equal to the upper bound. Mid equals low plus high. Calculate the middle index. If list mid equals target. If the middle element is target, return mid. Return middle index. Elif list mid less than target. If the middle element is less than the target, low equals mid plus 1. Update the lower bound to search in the upper half. Else, if the middle element is greater than the target. High, mid, -1. Update the upper bound to search in the lower half. Return -1. If the loop completes without finding the target, return 1. Return -1. This implements the classic binary search algorithm. It is repeatedly halves the search space. The while loop continues as long as the search interval is valid. Open parenthesis low less than equals high. The mid index that calculate and the search space is adjusted based on whether least mid is less than equal to or greater the target. Interpolation search. Least target. Depth interpolation search. Least target. Low equals 0. High equals len least. -1. While low less than high and least low less than target less than equal least high. Continue while interval is valid and target is within bounds. Pause equal loss plus high -low. Least high negative least low. Target negative least low. Estimate position using interpolation. If least pause equals target, return pause. If least pause less than target, low equals pause plus 1, else high pause -1, return 1. So interpolation search is to binary search but use interpolation to estimate the position of the target. The formula for pause cleverly estimate the index based on the relative value of the target and the least endpoints. High equals len open parenthesis least equals 1 -1 while low less than equal high and least low. This is, i-ano natin, i-move and compile. This is the result. 4 and 2, the result.